Hi, my name is Hannah Siskowski, and I'm doing the calibration assignment for AME320. So the first step is to turn on the motion capture cameras. Alright, so we can see that all the cameras are because there's an LED light that's blinking on them. So we're going to go ahead and start the motive software. So we're going to open the program. And we want to do a camera calibration, so we click on this. And we can see that all of our cameras are on. And just to make sure, I'm going to come over here and just see if I can see the object, which I can in the cameras. You can see it's a little reflective object. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start wanding. Now that we know that it's working, we're going to start the wanding process. And we can see that it's recording. So we're going to come over here and just wave our wand around. And we see that the data is being recorded on the screen. So now that we have the data, we're going to calculate calibration. And it's calculating in the bottom corner. So it gives us a calibration summary, and we're going to apply the results. So now that we have this, what we're going to do is set the ground plane. So we take the ground plane and put it in the middle with the z-axis facing forward. And once we have that set up, we're going to press set ground plane. And this should set our ground plane. And so you can see that we did the ground plane successfully because we have all the cameras up in the air where they should be. What we're now going to do, now that we have our ground plane set, is we're going to mark our objects. So I'm just going to set them on the ground. So now what we're going to do is set the rigid bodies for the objects. So we select all of the dots, right-click, rigid body, and create from selected markers. We do that with the other one as well. So we have two rigid bodies currently on our screen. Now we're going to go to Layout and Capture. And I'm going to change the names of the rigid bodies. So this is this one, and we're going to call this one yellow. And we're going to call this one blue. So now that we have the rigid bodies, I'm going to go ahead and capture some data. So we're going to record. You can go back over here, move the objects around. So you can see that it's recording the movement of these two rigid bodies. This is the blue and this is the yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that recording. So to see our recording, we're going to go to Edit and then double click our tape. And you can see here that our objects are moving in the movement that I was doing. So if we want to export this data, we're going to do File, Export Tracking Data. I'm just going to save it as a CSV and save it to the desktop. So now we have our tracking data saved. And thank you. That's the end of the calibration video.